SnoBracket is your best choice for attaching snow retention systems to insulated metal panel trapezoidal-rib roofs. If you live in an area with snow, you know that managing snow accumulation isn't just about appearance, it's about safety. Luckily, S5 has you covered with SnoBracket. When installing snow retention systems on your insulated metal panel roof, it's critical to use tested and engineered attachments designed to securely hold back snow buildup, thereby decreasing the risk of rooftop avalanches. The sheeting-only attachment prevents thermal bridging, maintaining your roof's high insulating values. It's fully compatible with the S5 ColorGuard 2.0 Snow Guard system and built to last the life of the roof. And with factory-applied EPDM seals tested to the industry's most demanding water tightness test, leaks are a non-issue. SnoBracket is made from corrosion-resistant materials, and all S5 products are warranted for the life of your roof. Plus, it's endorsed by multiple IMP manufacturers, a testament to its reliability. Now let's guide you through the installation process. First, ensure you have the right SnoBracket for your IMP profile. SnoBracket TB is compatible with 1.22-inch horizontal top dimension trapezoidal profiles, such as Kingspan King Rib, Vic West HR3 and HR5, AWIP HR3 and HR5, and similar profiles. SnoBracket RB is compatible with 1-inch horizontal top dimension trapezoidal profiles, such as Metalspan LS36 and similar profiles. Here's what you'll need to install SnoBracket to get ready for ColorGuard 2.0. A variable speed, variable torque screw gun, a 5/16" hex screw gun tip, a string line, a rag, and a tape measure. Start by wiping away any excess oil and debris where you'll attach the SnoBracket. Use a string line to ensure your brackets are installed in a straight line. Mark your locations from a fixed point like the eave end of a panel. Be sure to orient the bolt hole down slope. Position the bracket so it straddles the rib of the panel. Use the provided fasteners to secure the SnoBrackets through the pre-punched holes. Ensure you use all 8 holes to achieve the tested strength. Use the string line between the 2 outer brackets to mark the placement of the remaining SnoBrackets in a straight row. Finally, attach the ColorGuard 2.0 system using VersaClips and the provided M8 bolts. Follow the ColorGuard 2.0 installation instructions for complete assembly. And there you have it, your SnoBrackets are now installed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful installation tips and tutorials. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.